Good afternoon, Western Washington, and happy Wednesday. I'm Matthew Fab with Western Washington Weather, and today we're going to take a look at the forecast for the next few days as we have a pattern change coming up and some rainier conditions that will give us our first significant rain of the month of June. So starting with the satellite image this afternoon, you can see lots of clouds moving across western Washington. We had some areas of drizzle this morning. You can see some more clouds across parts of the coast and some clearing as well. We may end up partly sunny this evening with highs near 70. Taking a look at the radar, you can see some of these areas of showers moving off into the Cascades. We had some drizzle at times. You can see a few more showers off the coast, but everything really is moving eastward pretty quickly here. But this is just the first round of rain. We'll have some more rain over the next few days here, so let's take a look at that. Taking a look at our overall pattern, the reason we've got this rain coming in is because of this troughing. You can see this trough here setting up through Thursday into Friday and Saturday. This one right here, as it moves in Friday to Saturday there, that is going to bring a decent amount of rain to western Washington, at least by June standards. Then you can see as we go through the extended forecast here into next week, we start to warm up a bit with some of this brief ridging, and then get a little bit more uncertain as we have a mix of ridging and troughing, maybe some more troughing as we go into the end of next week, but that is looking over a week out right now. So taking a look at precipitation type here, you can see light rain at times today, clearing out as we go into this evening, and then remaining mostly dry there on Thursday. A few showers around possibly, but then take a look as we go into Friday. We have actually a chance of thunderstorms across some of the area there on Friday, and you can see rain at times across areas of the lowlands, mainly from the Kitsap Peninsula and Hood Canal there, and then from Seattle southward. And then you can see as we go into Saturday there, we get some rain starting up north and then moving south. You can see even some high mountain snow possibly, but not very much, and quite brief with that. Then you can see that rain moving through the area there and then lightening up as we go in to Saturday night. Some lingering showers there on Sunday, especially some potential thunderstorms up over northeast Washington, and then we start to dry out completely as we go into Monday there. So taking a look at precipitation, you can see a few hundredths of an inch to about a tenth of an inch across the area today. And then as we go through Thursday, just some more showers, maybe in some of the mountains. And then we go into Friday here and we start to get some more of that rain across the area, maybe another tenth to 2/10 of an inch there. You can see there that areas from Seattle southward down toward Portland get the most, and some of this is scattered with a little bit heavier amounts in some places due to potential thunderstorms and heavier showers on the day Friday there. And you can see up toward a half inch for parts of southwest Washington. And then as we go into the weekend here, you can see this additional round of rain for parts of western Washington, and our totals as we go in to early Monday morning, you can see up toward a half inch to near an inch for areas from Everett northward. From Everett down toward Tacoma and Olympia, you can see 4/10 of an inch to about 3/4 of an inch, so decent amounts for June. And you can see from Olympia southward about a half inch to 0.9 inches there. The coast getting near half inch of rain, and then the western slopes of the Cascades getting 1 to 2 inches. So very much needed rainfall here over the next few days. We'll take a look at that more in coming videos as well. And then taking a look at this, just wanted to point out Friday afternoon, we do have a chance of some thunderstorms across parts of western Washington there. You can see especially maybe Vashon Island over towards Shelton, and that diminishes as we go into Friday evening. But there is a chance of thunderstorms across parts of the area there, especially Seattle southward on Friday. Then taking a look at temperatures today, you can see with some of that clearing possible, we may get into the mid-60s to low 70s, low 60s on the coast. Then you can see similar thing there on Thursday. And then Friday, look how much we cool down. You're looking at highs in the upper 50s to low 60s across all of western Washington. That continues on Saturday there with highs not even getting above 60 in the Willamette Valley, which is really crazy for this time of year. And then you can see highs in the low 60s for western Washington there on Saturday. We warm up pretty significantly there on Sunday with highs bouncing back into the low 70s for most of the area. And then by Monday and Tuesday, you're looking at highs for the Seattle area there in the upper 70s to low 80s, maybe some mid-80s possible there on Tuesday. And then from Olympia southward, you're looking at highs in the low to mid-80s there on Tuesday. And a nice day out on the coast as well with highs in the mid-60s. So it will be kind of a little bit of a roller coaster here with all this cold, and then we warm up pretty significantly going into next week. And then just wanted to point this out as well, those anomalies there for Saturday's high temperatures. You're looking at highs 5 to 10 degrees below average for most of western Washington, but take a look at the Willamette Valley with highs not even getting above 60 degrees. You're looking at highs 15 to 20 degrees below average. Eastern Washington, 15 to 20 degrees below average as well. So it'll definitely feel more like spring than summer for a few days, but then we will switch back and kick in the summer weather a bit more with some warmer temperatures as we go into early next week. So be sure to subscribe here to Western Washington Weather on YouTube and follow me on Blue Sky, on Twitter, and the Western Washington Weather Facebook group. The links to all of these are in the description below. So thank you all very much for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.